You know, I'm constantly asked, how do you start a conversation out? How do you get people to buy big insurance policies? Well, first of all, that's not the objective. The objective is to build curiosity, build trust, and make contact. So conversion A, which is really what we talk about on how to become interesting, you've got to be interested in the prospect that you're talking with. So if you go out thinking the only thing you're trying to do is to make a sale, it's body language, and that's going to reek on your behalf. It's not going to be what you're anticipating. So as a result of that, there's probably going to be a lot of resistance. What you need to focus on is helping people understand through their own fruition, they may have a problem. Now, how I'm going to talk about that is going to be something as simple as, do you like paying taxes? You know, what's really fascinating to me is that I've just recently joined a group, and their whole mantra is how to understand the tax code so that you can avoid income taxes forever. I'm learning strategies and concepts and theories that the wealthy have been doing for decades. And I'm just learning this. But I will tell you, if I were to spend 15 to 20 minutes with you, we could identify tens of thousands of dollars a year that's slipping through your hands, because most people don't understand fees, taxes, or how wealth works. Now, let's pause for a minute. I can't imagine anyone who would not be interested in wanting to hear the rest of that story. So when we look at what our objective is, I want to tease. I know what the end result looks like. I know what financial freedom looks like. I know what retirement on collateral looks like. No one has ever talked to them about it. What you're bringing to the table is brand new for them. And as a result of that, they're going to have to let them explore through their pace and their journey so that they can realize, yes, they do have a problem. Sure hope this helps. If you want to learn more about how wealth works, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page, Tom Love, How Wealth Really Works.